Hi there! Today I am going to recreate Jenna Ortega's look at the Golden Globes event that happened recently. It was, I think, 2 days ago or something like that, in the moment when I'm filming this. I think her look was simple yet creative and very sexy. I actually didn't do a glamorous, just a look that makes you look amazing in a while. This one is definitely that. I love it on Jenna and I love it on myself. I think it's so flattering. If you want to see how I did it, then just follow the tutorial, which is gonna start about now. I'm missing my backlight. Hopefully you can tell the difference. I broke the light bulb and I didn't buy a new one yet. I'm gonna start with my base makeup today. The eye makeup is not that heavy and I prefer to do it in one go. I mean both the top and lower lid. I'm going to attempt to make it as minimal and glowy as possible. I'm going to start with a primer actually. I'm going to use a glowy primer. I have this sample, the Radiance primer. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that, especially on the cheeks, because they usually lack glow. And I'm gonna use my finger. Make sure your hands are clean. And I will massage this into my skin. I'm gonna go for a pretty light coverage today. In my recent videos, I didn't even use foundation, but obviously, when you're on the red carpet, probably most of those celebrities have foundation on, so I'm gonna use the Dior Backstage foundation. This is very lightweight, has a sheer coverage. It's definitely buildable, but I'm not going to build it up today. I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I'm gonna concentrate it in the middle of my face, cover any sign of discoloration. And I'm gonna use a beauty sponge to blend it in, using little bouncing motions. For my under eyes, I'm going to do a little bit of brightening / color correction first. I'm going to use the Instant Anti-Age Eraser by Maybelline. This one is the pink salmony one. It's in the shade Brightener. It really makes a nice difference in the outcome of the concealer that you add on top. It makes the under eyes look so much brighter and makes you look overall more awake and healthy. And as a concealer, I'm going to use one from the same range, but this time in the shade Neutralizer. I think this one might be a color corrector as well, since it's called Neutralizer. It's really yellow, but for me it kind of works because I have a very yellowy toned skin. It doesn't look that yellow on me. I'm concentrating it in the inner portion of my under eyes because usually for most people that's where the discoloration is. I personally have some blue spots right here. Like those are my under eye circles, I guess. And again, little patting motions. I'm gonna blend it in with my sponge. Actually, I'm gonna bring the leftover on my lid as well. So I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow base too. I will use a bit of my RCMA No Color powder. I'm using an eyeshadow blending brush. I've kind of stepped away from the setting with a powder puff. I'm not saying that that's a great technique and I probably will come back to it someday, but these days I just feel like having minimal face makeup. So I really don't want a lot of product on my face, so just a light coat of powder really does it for me these days. I like using an eyeshadow brush because it really helps me get into, let's say, these areas of my under eyes, which are usually pretty hard to access with a larger brush, and it kind of feels like painting. Next I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna use my favorite at the moment, the Catrice Sun Lover. Her complexion is pretty warm. She doesn't have any cool tone pink tones on her face. I'm really tapping off the excess from my brush because this can be a tiny bit dark for me if I apply too much. I'm gonna start from the top of my ear and kind of do circling motions. Take some of the excess product from my brush by applying it elsewhere and then I'm attempting to blend this out. Yeah, that's a little too much, but whatever, I'll fade it. I'm also going to apply it right here, so starting from the outer corner of my eye and fading it towards my temples to create a coherence, yeah, that's a word, I think, with my eyeshadow. That's not here yet, but will be here in a few minutes. For blush, I have another sample from Clarins. This little guy right here, it's a Joli blush in the shade 2. Then I'm gonna do little stamping motions, and I'm applying it a little above the bronzer. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use my beloved e.l.f. baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. My highlighter is really holding on for its life, but I still have quite a bit of product left. A bit of awesome product left. Because this one, I would use this one on a red carpet, and it's $4. So that says a lot. It creates the most natural looking glow. Don't know why, but today I feel like doing the full process and also apply setting spray. I have a dewy finish setting spray, this one from Too Faced. It's the Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. This is moisturizing, so it's exactly what I want. Let me just do this. I took a breakfast break, now it's time to do the eyes. I'm gonna use the soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna pick the shade... Should I go for orange soda or burnt orange? I think I'm gonna go for burnt orange. Actually, I'm going to do a mix, just to lighten burnt orange a little bit. And this is gonna go in my crease mainly. So I'm starting here from the outer portion of my crease and kind of fading it inwards. Oh yes, this mix is nice. So she has that warm toned crease going on, and then that whitish color on her lid. I'm gonna mix them again because I want to apply it on my lower lash line as well to have a transition here. And then for the light shade, I'm going to pick up Tempera. This one has some subtle glitter, not glitter, but like shimmer particles. So it's not completely matte, but it's fine. I mean, I think it works for this look. So I'm using a fluffy but flat brush, this kind of thing. This is a small buffer brush from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna stamp that all over my lid. I don't know if I should do like a cut crease shape and continue kind of like that. Does it look like hers? That's what I'm interested in. No, not really. Okay, I'm taking my previous brush and fading this. I'm taking the burnt orange / orange soda mix again, just to fix this thing here. For the eyeliner, I will go for black eyeshadow. Her eyeliner is not really that defined. I'm pretty sure it's eyeshadow or a pencil, not really a liquid liner. So I'm gonna pick up the black in the palette. I'm using an angled brush. This is a Makeup Addiction small angle brush. On the lower lash line, she has that, she continues her waterline basically and has like a white mark here, a white line. So I'm going to do the liner above that. I'm imagining it at the moment, so waterline, white line, and then the liner above that. You gotta make sure to really dust off the excess from the brush so it doesn't fall on my face. Black fallout can be a mess. I think kind of like that, and I will connect it to my lid. Okay, I think I perfected this enough. It actually looks perfect. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Time for that light beige waterline. That's definitely not white, it's a very light nude color. White can look weird on the waterline on almost everybody, so I would advise you to go for a light nude instead. I have here, this one is from Sephora Collection. It's their 12-hour contour in the shade Coconut. So I'm gonna go over my waterline, and then I'm gonna draw that line. I actually love this. I feel like it lifts up my outer corner so nicely. This has a beautiful effect on the eye. Anyways, gonna pick up the black again on the same angle brush, and I'm gonna start right here on my lower lash line, close to the outer corner. I'm gonna do a little line underneath this pencil and fading it into towards the center of my lower lash line, actually fading it towards the inner portion but not really going all the way to my inner corner. And this line is going to be shorter than the eyeliner. I love this style. I'm so glad I tried this look. I think I will do this again and just will wear it on an occasion, I guess. Because right now, today I'm not going anywhere. But I have to take this look out into the world. I'm curling my lashes before applying mascara. She definitely wears false lashes in that look, but you know I'm too unbothered for that. I didn't apply false lashes in probably a year now. I'm gonna use my Revolution Lash Power Mascara. Also going to apply it on the lower lashes. Got some sun after a few weeks of being completely cloudy. That feels amazing. Sunshine is like a form of therapy, to be honest. I'm going to do my lips in nude. I'm going to use this Marshmallow lip pencil from Poison Berries from the Nudelicious range. Slightly overlining the center of my lip. Emphasizing on slightly because I have a history of being really exaggerated with my overlining. Looking back on those pictures, I'm ashamed, but whatever. We learn and we grow. I'm gonna use it to fill in as well, at least the sides of my lips. Because I'm going to apply kind of like a clear balm on top. I'm gonna use this one. It's the Dr. Pawpaw Shimmer Balm. Multi-purpose soothing balm with natural Pawpaw, whatever that is. For lips, cheeks, body, and with added shimmer. It's not really a gloss because it's not as glossy as a gloss. Wow. But it's moisturizing, it adds just a bit of shine. I like the fact that it's not that glossy, extremely glossy shine. It's kind of like a healthy, moisturized lip kind of shine. So that is it for this look. My recreation of Jenna Ortega's Golden Globes look. I love it so much. I love how it came out. And it's the kind of makeup that I just feel beautiful in. And I mean, I love creative makeup and I did a lot of creative looks lately, especially with my Harry Potter series, which I haven't finished yet. I mean, I finished filming it, but I haven't uploaded all the videos because I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. But since I did those creative looks, I mean, I like creative makeup, but it's just that it doesn't really enhance my look, but this one just makes me feel so confident and beautiful. I can't wait to have an event or something that I can wear this look too. I will definitely wear it again because I love it. I just love it so much. I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite look from the Golden Globes event. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I hope you're having the most beautiful day ever and I will see you next time. Bye!